Hey, Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's Bitcoin update for 28th of November. And the whole world is watching at Bitcoin right now, and what Bitcoin is going to do. And it's pretty a huge suspense right there. So what I was wondering is, from Black Friday, we're entering the Cyber Monday. What's gonna happen, guys? A lot of people believe that Black Friday was the day of discounts, which is actually very true. And people are expecting that Cyber Monday you have discounts as well, and that's also true. And now there's this trend line, and I've made this very, very small pennant right there. Now, unfortunately, this is a bear pennant. Do you see that? This is a bear pennant right now. It is what it is, and if it breaks out, guys, this is gonna take you all the way to 49,000, which I've been thinking of, but it's gonna be a very quick wick. It's not bearish, it's not nothing, but it could be a very quick wick towards the downside and then go towards the upside. But for me, man, this is not likely to. I don't know why. I don't know why this is gonna get ignored. This bear pennant is gonna get ignored. Or we can make the fact that this is not really a bear pennant and we have a ascending wedge right there. Do you see that this is more of an ascending wedge, not even a bear pennant? So I'm just gonna say it's an ascending wedge, and normally if you do have the ascending wedge from the top here to the bottom right there, from wherever you break out, it's gonna take you nearly 56,000 levels. So do we have any levels on the EMAs as well? We're gonna check that. Yeah, that's the blue line right there. We've already dropped really badly. We've really dropped, and I don't think it's possible for it to go. I mean, anything can happen, guys. Anything can happen. This is pure analysis. It's always just an analysis, and it's me and you, trying to see what Bitcoin can do. So I'm gonna write in RSI right there, and why isn't the RSI showing up today? What's up? The RSI, yeah, thank goodness. Relative strength index. So I'm gonna show you this one. Let me just change the thickness right there. I'm gonna click on settings and the style here. Gonna turn this one into a yellow color and the thickness to that one right there, and I'll click OK. So basically we were on the floor right here during 26th of November. Today's 28. It came nearly the 30. It came to the 30, guys. So let's go back to the history and see what history tells us. Guys, it seems like we have it could come down to the lower 17, because back in 21 September when it dumped really hard, we went a little bit down the 30. It seems like the floor is not really in yet. The floor is not really in on the RSI, of course. And I'm gonna zoom out of here even more, and let's see what Bitcoin normally does, what it normally do. Okay, there are some times when they just like to bounce off this area and go towards the upside. So it's not really important. It could just be that this was the bounce you're looking for, and then from here you just continue towards the upside, or maybe just go up there. In here you're gonna see a small wick towards the downside. The RSI is gonna move down. You're gonna think this is more bearish, but in reality there's something happening behind the scenes. Okay, if the prices in Bitcoin, they come a little bit down there and the RSI is gonna come down, you might potentially make a double bottom on the RSI, and this will complete every single thing that we've been talking about so far. And this will still be bullish, because I've told you so many times in this Bitcoin updates, we are still in an uptrend, and the uptrend is still there. I'm just gonna remove the RSI. I don't need it anymore. And on the daily, let's say you do come down to 49k and lower high, this will still be a lower high. There's nothing bearish. Understand that. You have the higher high, the higher high. This is the best. This is the only thing that is keeping me confident on Bitcoin. But it's not important that you see Bitcoin going all the way down. It's not really important. Now I'm going to puzzle you here a little bit, because in technical analysis, this is only analysis. It's not signals, people. It's not a signal call. about analysis of chart patterns and trading and how trade can work. So basically, I want to talk about a bullish harami pattern as well, because I do think it almost made a bullish harami, and this might be a very, very bottom right there, and we might never go all the way down. So I'm gonna go to, okay, I just want to tell you about this bullish harami pattern candle. So you can see there's a bearish candle, there's a downtrend also coming in, and then we have this small green, it says close lower than prior open. So I'm gonna walk you through this one, this candlestick. Let me open up Bitcoin in a different exchange here, Qcoin right there, and from here, guys, I'm just gonna remove everything and let's talk about this. Let's zoom in, let's talk about detail about the bullish harami. So we do have this bearish candle. That's the first condition, we met it. Okay, the bearish candle, and close lower than prior open. They say it closed lower than this previous candle. The prior means the previous candle. So here we are, and this is the previous candle. We opened lower than that, so that's met as well. And then we have bullish candle. This on the daily is a bullish candle, it's green, and then open higher than prior close. Now this is where we're not meeting the condition. Only one condition is not met, and because this one is at the very same price, it's not above it, it's not below it, the closing is at the same price. So it almost became a bullish harami, and it could be a bullish harami, it could be, but it's not a very confirmed bullish harami. So everything is there, but for me, man, I do think the bottom is in. I don't know, personal opinion, the bottom is in. I don't think the prices make sense to me to go any lower than this, because I've seen so many altcoins out there, and if it starts to go to 49,000, man, altcoins are gonna go like, they're gonna fly out of the window, man. It's gonna be very, very bloody once again. And but who knows? But for me, man, personally, my own personal opinion, this is your bottom. This is the end of the story, and it's not gonna go any lower towards the downside. Finger crossed. We are also respecting the trend line. Okay, so as long as you're respecting the trend line, there's not any reason for you to fear. Look at this. A touch right there, another touch right here, and another touch right there. So even if it ever goes down, I do think it's going to be a wick and a fake out and then pump towards the upside for people who are becoming bearish. So no need to sell anything in panic. I do think the next all December is, for me, it's going to be bullish. Who knows, but it's very, very high chances now. The chances are really big that December is going to start to pick business towards north, and the south has already completed, and when you're fearful here, that also means that things are getting actually bullish. So let's see what happens next. And what thank you for watching this video. I'm left with only like 250 people left to reach 3,000 subs, so let's do that really quickly, kindly. And thank you for everything, for the discords, for the likes, for watching, whatever, man, it means a lot. We're gonna continue with the channel, and until then, Allah Hafiz.